Hi, this is Gina Chettle from the Canaster Technology Group. Welcome to our continuing series of new features for GP 2016. I'm pleased to present three of the business intelligence enhancements, which are as follows. Numeric fields in its smart list exported to Excel as number format. Create new smart lists from a favorite with non-standard columns. And export and import of smart lists created in Smart List Designer. The first feature is the change in format for numeric fields when exporting a smart list to Excel. In prior versions of Microsoft Dynamics GP, when a smart list was exported to Microsoft Excel, all columns were formatted as text. Because of this, users experienced some inconveniences. For example, they were not able to sum the columns without manually changing each record. Now, columns containing numbers are automatically formatted as number when the smart list is exported to Excel. Let's take a quick look at this feature. Here's a smart list of open invoices for April 2017. We will export this to Excel. And here you can see the document amount field. I'm just going to right-click on one of these amounts. Take a look at format cells and note that it is now a number format with the default of 5 decimal places and no currency symbol. The second feature I wanted to show you is the ability to export and import smart lists that were created using Smart List Designer. This is a useful feature when you have two separate GP environments, for example, a production environment and a test environment, and you want to export a smart list favorite from one environment to the other. Here in my Fabricam company, I have just opened a Smart List Designer window and have created a new smart list called Accounts 2017. I'm just going to hit OK here. And now you will see the new smart list that I've created called Accounts 2017. I would like to export this smart list to my test environment. So what I would do is I will select this new smart list, click on the Export/Import button from the Actions ribbon at the top here, and choose the Export button. The Export List window will open, and you will just select the Accounts 2017 here and hit Insert. And at the bottom where it says File Name, I will select the folder icon, and this should prompt me to save the file as an XML file. So I'll just give it a file name called Accounts 2017, hit Save, and I'm back to the Export List window, and I will choose Export. You will get a message that the selected lists have been exported successfully. Now let's go to my test environment, and I have a company called The World Online. Here, I've just opened up my smart list in my World Online company. I will now choose the Import button, Export and Import button, choose Import, and browse out to that saved XML file that we had saved earlier. Select that file and choose Open, and choose the Import button. I'll get the message that it's been imported successfully. And when I expand my Financial Series folder, I should now see the Accounts 2017 Smart List. And the final enhancement that I will show you is it is now possible to create a new Smart List in Smart List Designer from an existing favorite, which has been modified from the standard Smart List. Take a look at this vendor Smart List. The standard one is the one designated with an asterisk. So as you will see, I have 8 columns as a default. I have the vendor ID, vendor name, the address information, and a phone number. I also have a favorite called One Vendor Balances. And with the One Vendor Balances smart list, I have added a new column called Current Balance. Now, if I wanted to add custom columns to this favorite smart list, I will choose the New button from the Actions ribbon, which will open up my Smart List Designer window. Notice that it would pick up my favorite smart list called One Vendor Balances, and it will also include that new column that has been saved in my favorite called Current Balance. So from going forward from here, you can add custom columns to this smart list and continue on as you would need for this custom smart list designer. Be sure to check out our monthly newsletter for more GP2016 features. Thanks for watching.